Hello, welcome in daily newspaper editorials audio program. Now headline: India must eat better to not get wasted. The Economic Times. Now headline in detail: India must eat better to not get wasted. The Economic Times. India is facing a serious challenge on that most people don't even know exists. It now has the third highest percentage of obese citizens in the world. In just a decade, obesity rates have nearly tripled. This ticking time bomb will have severe consequences for healthcare system and economic productivity. The economic impact of obesity in 2019 says global obesity observation is 28.95 billion, equivalent to about 18 18,000 per capita and 1.02% of GDP. Recognition: This goal has taken a welcome first step by launching an awareness initiative and indeed recognized two potential crises for what it is a potential crisis. Goal has nominate 10 public figures include Anand Mahindra and Omar Abdullah to advocate for healthier lifestyle. Small changes such as reducing edible oil consumption have been highlighted as key measures, but ensuring awareness is not enough. System changes that go beyond individual choices are needed, the most fundamental one being in our food system. Our markets are flooded with ultra processed packed food that fuel to obesity epidemic. If bars are serious about reversing this trend, policymakers must take steps to promote indigenous nutrient-rich foods. Farmers must be incentivized to cultivate healthy crops, and these should be made widely available at affordable prices. Another critical factor is food labeling. Awareness of reading nutrition labels remains low. Strengthening regulation and mandating front of pack labeling on foods can be a game changer. People need to know what is going into their bodies, and business must be held accountable for the health impact of their products. A Viksit Bharat is not just about GDP muscles, it's really about ensuring a happier, healthier population. Thank you.